The flare here is our newest assisted opening knife. It's got a glass reinforced nylon handle, got a low profile pocket clip on there, reversible, like most of our pocket clips. Has a safety lever on the side here, so when it shows red, it's like a firearm, it's live, ready to go. Then you just take, and I'll do it with my left hand, push out on the thumb stud, blade opens up, locks into place. So you slide the little lock lever back and close the blade. So again, you just slide, try and do it with I'll do it with my index finger here, so push out on the thumb stud there. Blade opens up, locks into place. Nice clip-on blade, stainless steel. Again, this is the flare here.